The Liberty Pumps PC457-441 Sump Pump Combo is a fully assembled pump combination that features a primary, a Liberty Pumps Model 457 115 volt automatic sump pump, and the Model 441 12 volt battery backup pump. The Model 441 provides uninterrupted pumping in the event of power outage or primary pump failure. When the 441 is operating, audible and visual alarms warn of backup pump operation. The Model 441 backup pump is capable of pumping up to 44 gallons per minute. This system includes a primary pump check valve and a backup pump check valve. The primary pump included is capable of pumping up to 52 gallons per minute. Other items of interest are primary pumps available in 1/3 and 1/2 horsepower. Is ready to connect to a 1 1/2 inch discharge pipe. Compact profile will fit minimum 15-inch diameter sump pits. Backup pump, the Model 441, offers 5-stage battery charging and protection from battery burnout or overcharging. 12-volt deep cycle battery not included. Primary pumps 115 volts, 1 1/2 inch PCV piping with rubber coupler between primary pump and backup pump. Rubber coupler provides easy removal and serviceability of backup pump. Maximum fluid temperature 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Batteries not included. A 12-volt marine type deep cycle battery M27 is recommended. The manufacturer of this backup pump combo is Liberty Pumps. Its name says a lot. Freedom from worry about basement flooding is what you get. Freedom from ghastly repair bills is worth a lot more than this unit, don't you think? Thank you for watching my video. For more information, please visit sumppumpsrus.com and get this powerful Liberty Pumps PC457-441 1/2 horsepower sump pump combo at the best price around. I would appreciate it very much if you would first take a second and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.